19 by 10. Remove the wallpaper and put a new one. Okay. Okay, asking on this wall, texture is gone, and I'm gonna come back later to start sanding this. Just bright walls. Okay, this is our peel&stick wallpaper. So that's my first sheet. This is what you do. Okay. You have to leave it a little longer for the side corner. All right, let's go. See? Okay. Man, you got right there. There you go. Just keep cutting. Okay, we cut this side. Angle. And then this one. And then this one. There you go. Okay, this is done. Peel&stick. I finished right here. You see where nothing matches. That was my last drop right here. Anyway, everything is done. Straight corners, clean cuts, invisible patches, and everything well done as usual. See you in the next project.